guys, welcome back to the Oh Hello Co YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you our November Deluxe subscription. So let's just dive right into this thing. So let's start with the greeting card. So this is the really cute little panda card. They're like holding each other, and it comes with an envelope, of course, with some red foil. The roll of washi tape is this like leaf pattern. I thought it would really complement the subscription, but also something you can use more regularly. Then we have the bonus item, which are these adorable little panda page flags. Look how cute they are. Now on to the stickers themselves. First up, we have the washi tape. I love this washi tape. I love how bold and rich the colors of this subscription are. I wanted to do something a little bit bold, a little out of the norm for November since we are approaching winter. Our December subscription will be 100% winter themed, not Christmas. I never do like religious holidays or anything in our subscription, so we will have a winter one, but I wanted to do something that still had like blue tones and cooler tones but wasn't quite winter yet. Then we have the heart checklist as well as some adorable half boxes, the functional sheet, and then the full boxes. Let's get a little closer on these bad boys. Look at how adorable these pandas are. Oh, I'm just so excited about this. That purple is like potent. And then of course you have your little font variety sticker sheet with all these different fonts and sayings, and then the decorative sheet. So there are a ton of really cute, adorable pandas. I plan on doing some die cuts in the shop of the pandas as well. So if you want those, they will be listed in the October release, which is the second Friday of October. So there you guys go, this month's November Deluxe subscription. You get all of this for under $25 with shipping. So if you're interested, definitely go check out the link in the description to check it out. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from Oh Hello. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.